That's the one, the A380. Wow, beautiful. Absolutely. I'm going to go behind the tree, but I'm still going to try and follow it after. Let's see if I can get the wheels coming down. Yeah, there she is. Wow, there. Sorry about that. Just gonna go again. Sorry for the joltiness. Surprised she hasn't had her wheels down yet. They usually do by now. We're just over Fulham, by the way. Strange. No wheels yet. Where's she gone? She's still there. Oh, the wheels. There you go. The wheels are down. Sorry, it's a bit of a messed up footage, but we've got her.
Hello, Rocky. Look at him.
Phoenix, sorry. Just little Phoenix has just punched me in the stomach. Oh, and he's filling my shoes with sand. That's a long way off now. There she goes.